Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So, quite a bit of data coming out today. We've got the Fed's minutes, and we've also got CPI, and there's been quite a few Fed members that have been shouting from the rooftops about recession. So, net result is we ranged yesterday, and I would not be surprised to see that happen again today. So, for all intents and purposes, I think you need to wait for data on the S&P at the moment. There are some levels that have been tagged. So this is the first one, 4108. Let's get down to the hour because that's pretty much what we need to pay attention to. So you can see yesterday, big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. No idea of what's really going on at the moment. So we are just treading water. And I suspect we're probably going to stay in this range until CPI and then the Fed minutes afterwards. So short and sweet of this is quite simple. For me, shorts are only going to start coming into play down here. That's below 4076. Up until then, we are in a big range, and I'm very cautious, but the trend is to the upside. So if we start breaking to the upside based on the data, 4129, I'd want to see a pullback, and that would give me the opportunity to buy into that. But until we break one of those levels, I have zero interest in this at the moment. Have a look at that on the 15-minute for yesterday. Pretty much big down, big up, big down, big up, big confusion. We've got gaps to the downside as well. So at the moment, looking at the 15-minute, it is lining up for a break to the downside. So you probably, if you've got the time and you're sitting in front of the charts all day, this area here does look like something of interest. So come down, test 4108, come back and reject this area would present an opportunity for a short. Fairly tight stop loss of 63 points. And you've got a one-to-one trade here. We start dropping below 4108, and then you're probably testing these gaps to the downside here. So that's on probably, you'd probably be looking at that on the 5 or 6 minute chart. You'll see there 6 minutes already crossed over, and if you look at it at the 5, same picture, but just a fairly aggressive sell-off here, but lots of gaps. Anyway, that's kind of the only little scalp that I see at the moment. Just to wait for something, probably Europe Open or something. But your data is going to come out, CPI data will come out before the market opens, so that could give us a direction. And you just got to worry about what's coming in the Fed minutes, because if you're just listening to all the Fed members that are talking at the moment, your guess is as good as mine as what's going to happen. Anyway, I'm sitting quite quietly. We'll wait for data before I do anything today. I don't think there's any real opportunities on indexes or Forex for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.